Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoin YouTube channel. I'm yours Umar, and today we're doing a deep dive on Pepecoin, as Pepecoin has been having a very interesting week, down over 6% on the day, 17% on the week. And the question is whether or not you should be buying Pepe. The entire crypto market seems to have been taking a massive hit, and the question is whether or not we are going to see a reversal. Are we going to see the memes and cryptos continue going down from here? Is the end of the bull run, or is it a great opportunity to buy the dip? That's what we're taking a look at. Before we go any further, I do gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any updates like this. And make sure you check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously. There's actually a download link in the description box below. You can buy and swap Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies with the Best Wallet. The smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Recommended by top sources in both the crypto and finance space. And again, like I mentioned, every download supports the channel tremendously. And so download link in the description box below. And I really appreciate it if you check it out. Now back to the crypto market and Pepe as a whole. As we can see, the bubbles are down quite a bit this week, and even on the day, when we see on the day, we're seeing a very similar picture. And the question is, are we going to see a revival? Most memes are down over 5%. Most cryptos down. Even we're seeing Bitcoin right now struggling, currently at $86,000. Question is, are we going to see a reversal? Well, obviously nobody has a time machine, but I can tell you this: I've seen this happen time and time again. And typically speaking, when we start to see a strong weakening like this, especially at the beginning of a new month, we'd see things turn around. We're seeing more and more adoption for crypto, so I don't think this is the end of crypto or meme coins just yet. I actually think this could be a decent time to be buying the dip, especially for those who are bullish for the long term of Pepe. Now the price action down about 6% on the day. On the week, down about 17%, but the month up in the green over 16%. Obviously, this was taken into account earlier what happened in January. But it's safe to say we've been holding pretty strong at some decent levels. When I look at the entire picture, it's actually looking pretty healthy when compared to most of last year. Again, we're still down over 67%, but we're one catalyst away from making full rebounds. We're starting to see more and more trust back in crypto. Even though we've been seeing a lot of liquidation selling, there have been some key players that continue holding. And again, right now, the biggest factor to see is Bitcoin. It's been struggling, it's been losing its value. However, still holding at key levels, holding at $86,000 after seeing over $700 million in liquidation. Actually a very strong confidence point. Talking about strong confidence point, there's another project kind of pegged to Bitcoin that could be seeing some significant upside, and that is Bitcoin Hyper, as they're bringing L2 technology to Bitcoin. Essentially what that means is to make Bitcoin faster, cheaper, and more accessible, to kind of make the characteristics of Bitcoin similar to Ethereum, Solana, BNB. Essentially L2 technology is no new feature. People have done this in the past before. What Hyper wants to do different is to make it specifically for everything, not just for transaction side, but the development side and building side. Bitcoin Hyper will unlock fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions, which will lead to true power of Bitcoin, payments, meme coins, and dApps. They're gonna have the wallet, Explorer, bridge, staking, memes, and more. They've reached over $31 million in pre-sale, a massive feat, a massive milestone, which goes to show investor confidence and why this one's looking like the real deal. Again, if you want to buy into this pre-sale, you can buy directly from the website with card or crypto, which I'm leaving in the link in the description box below. So definitely check it out. Now back to Pepecoin. All eyes seem to be on Pepe. Pepe price eyes a 45% rebound as buyers regain control on spot market. So again, there still seems to be a decent bit of optimism in the market, even for Pepe and the memes. Pepecoin price prediction strengthens at a cup and handle structure, holds above these levels. RSI stabilizing price with price support. And then we're seeing spot takers CVD turning back demand, confirms accumulation during handle consolidation, not distribution. So all key levels looking pretty good for Pepe. And we're starting to see even headlines come out again. People are still looking very bullish for the memes. Now on the X side of thing, they haven't been posting as much as late, which again is no new thing. They kind of been ghost lately. And the team's just doing something different, but the community on the other hand seems to be very bullish. Pepe will create many new millionaires in the next 2 or 3 months, and we see overall bullishness in the air for the community, which is something I like to see. A $1 Pepe again. I don't know if we're ever going to see a world of a $1 Pepe, but even seeing Pepe come to 1 cent will be absolutely fantastic. Pepe has formed a head and shoulder pattern. We had just retested the neckline and got rejected. The target remains 73% lower than frame. This will be likely before my bear market target. So again, Like this trader does expect it to go down, some of the traders expect it to go up, but typically after head and shoulders patterns, we do see a nice reversal in the upward direction, and each trader is going to have a different analysis, so that's just something to keep in mind. But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend. Peace.